What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Lego Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. So let's start in the center with the left eye. Start by going up towards the top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the center. Now I want to draw the same size oval on the right. So we're going to start with the middle, come down towards the same height, go all the way up toward the top, and then back down. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval going all the way around. Draw the same size oval on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now I want to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start on the outside on the left. Curve this down underneath the eyes. And then back up. And we'll add a small bracket on the ends. Let's add in the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and in. Just line this up on the right, sloping this down towards the side. Now I want to add 2 points on the outside and the inside. So let's start with the left. We're going to go up and back out. From the inside, we'll come in and then up. Then we'll flatten off the ends. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I want to move down and draw the base of the head. So let's start back over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that comes down just underneath the mouth and then back up. Let's slope the head going up along the side. So we'll start with the left side, going to go up, then in to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. I want to bring this up towards the same height. Just close off the top of the head with a curve. Now I want to tuck the body in underneath the head. From the bottom corners, we're going to step in. It's going to slope the body, coming down and then out toward the hip to right about there. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. From the hips, we're going to step in, draw 2 short lines coming down across the hips, and then we'll flatten off the bottom. Now from the hips, we're going to draw in the barrel. Let's start from the left side. We're going to curve this around and then back in. And then again, we'll just flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go up to the top of the barrel in the center. We're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down. So we'll start with the left side, come all the way down towards the bottom of the feet to right about there. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the bottom corners of the barrel, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. And then flatten the feet with a straight line coming in. Now I'm going to separate the top of the foot. From here, I'm going to step up, draw a straight line going across on both sides. And then we're going to go all the way back up towards the top of the body and draw on the outside of the arms. Let's start with the left. We're going to go out and then bend that down. Let's go and do the same thing on the right. Going out and then down. Let's round out the edge of the arm, coming down and up. And we want to follow that same curve along the inside, going up and then in towards the side of the body. Now for the hands, we want to draw a circle with an open end across the bottom. So we'll start from the left side of the wrist, curve this around and then in, go to the inside of the wrist, go in the opposite direction, again leaving a gap across the bottom. Let's round out the edge of the hands. Now trace that circle along the inside, going all the way around. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. I'll start with the inside, and then the outside, leaving a gap in the middle. Curl this around, and we'll trace the inside. Now I want to go back and start adding some detail across the body. Let's start with the sleeves. From the inside edge of the arm, bend this out and then up. From the top of the body, we're going to draw the collar. We're going to bend this down and then in towards the center of the body, go out and then up towards the right. Let's draw on the collar. On the left side, bend this out and then down. It's going to curve the bottom of the collar going out and then back up towards the top of the body. Now in the center of the body, we're going to draw two circles, one on the top and then one on the bottom. And then in that middle section, we're going to draw an upside down V. We're going to go up and then back down. From the bottom of the barrel, step down, draw the edge of the shorts with a straight line going across on both sides. Now I'm going to add a simple floral pattern across the shirt. Let's start from the bottom left. Just going to swirl this around and in. Go around the inside across the hips and then down towards the side. Let's add another swirl over on the bottom right. I'm going to add a small one on the top right shoulder. And then we want to add some spots across the head and the arms. Let's start from the top. Draw these little circles. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lego Patrick Star from SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this one. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.